One of the most important areas you've really got to pay attention to on the undercarriage of a dozer is the pin and bushing, because that's where the wear takes place, where the bushing actually engages with the root of the sprocket right here. And that initial engagement around about the 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock orientation on the sprocket when you're moving forward is where the majority of your wear takes place. So as wear takes place, we need to be sure we're watching that, observing it, because we don't want it to wear too far and cause the component, being the bushing, to fail. So on most undercarriages, the conventional undercarriage is called a sealed and lubricated track, or sometimes referred to as salt undercarriage. What that means is we have a pin and a bushing. This bushing is pressed into a link assembly here, and it does not turn. That bushing is fixed in this link assembly. So as it wears or contacts that sprocket, it will actually wear. And when it wears down to a certain depth, the structural integrity of the bushing is weakened, and we need to do what we call a pin and bushing turn, where we take the track, press it apart, rotate the bushing 180 degrees, and press all the components back together and have a new wear surface. The key thing you want to watch on that is be sure you don't let this bushing wear too far down to where it will develop a crack and you start to lose the lubricant, and then it will start to fail. We also have another type of undercarriage to alleviate being bushing limited in wear, and that is called our abrasion type track. And with the abrasion type track, this bushing is not fixed, it will actually rotate. Now in this cartridge, you'll notice this is one piece. There's two collars on each side with seals in between, and this bushing will actually rotate when it engages the sprocket, and that reduces the wear. It is not fixed. So this is a very beneficial type undercarriage to use where you're in bushing limited area or materials such as sand or very abrasive soil conditions. So two different types of track. Salt, which was the one we showed earlier right here, bushing does not rotate, and this one is our abrasion track where the bushing does rotate. Always be sure you're watching and looking at these different components to be sure they do not wear too far to where they're destructed, and it will cause you additional owning and operating costs. If you have any questions about what we've talked about today on maintenance of Cat small dozers, please contact your local Cat dealer.